Hello friends and welcome back to Vlogmas. In today's video, I'm doing an Amazon fitness themed unboxing. My resolution, along with everyone else, is to get in shape. I'm not even gonna say get back in shape. I'm just gonna say get in shape the first time. So working out is high priority to me this year. So I figured what better way to motivate myself than with some pretty aesthetic workout clothes, a little bit of workout gear. A lot of this is looks for less, by the way. I'm gonna have everything listed below in the description box, so let's get into it. And while I'm getting into this first package, I would love to know in the comments, what are you guys doing for workouts? Any new diets? Are we omitting anything? Let me know. I'm open to trying some new things. And since a lot of items in today's video are clothes, I am gonna try them on and we will flash up on the screen how the sizing fits. First up, I have this workout tank. I liked it because of the strappy tank detail. It does make an X in the back, has a built-in bra. I did get it in black and it was around $22. I got this one in a size large, but I think it is real cute. And this one is a nylon spandex blend. There is a lot of stretch to this. So this item is from Crazy Yoga, which is one of my favorite brands already to order athletic clothes from on Amazon. Everything from theirs is very highly rated. This is a looser racerback tank top. This is Pima cotton, by the way. I did get this in a size large in the color mortar, but it comes in lots of other color options, by the way. Feels really nice, and I've seen other high-end athletic brands have tank tops that look just like this for upwards of $50. So I'm feeling pretty good about this one for $20 on Amazon. And then actually the sports bra that was in here with it is probably the one that I will be wearing my loose tank top with. This one is a little bit more of a V-neck style. You do have the crisscross in the back. Oh, and I didn't notice when I placed my order, the back does also have a mesh. You also have the really flattering ruching in the front. I got this in black, but it comes in a lot of color options. And I got this in a size large. They do have a size chart that will tell you based off your corresponding bra size which one to get. So I did order this 5-pound ring weight. It does look like the very popular Bala one that I think is around $90. That one is a 10-pound ring. This one here from Amazon is a 5-pound ring. It also, under the description, is listed as beige. The color definitely is more peach. I quite like the color, but I did want to point that out. And it's my understanding that you use this in the same way you would other weights. Use this like a kettlebell. So this is about a third of the price on Amazon. So what I also have in here, similar to the Bala brand, is the 3-pound dumbbells. Those will run you $60. These are around $30 on Amazon. They do come in 3 colors. I did go with black. These are the 3-pound dumbbells, by the way. It looks like they also come with a little mesh storage bag. And actually, when I was reading the reviews, people said they preferred these because it isn't a perfectly smooth cylinder. They have kind of this etching all the way around that does make them a little easier to hold. Okay, it looks like we have some clothes in here. These might be some leggings. I did order 3 different pairs, looking for the perfect Lulu Align look for less. So the first pair of leggings are these Sunzel ones. These are their 7th, 8th leggings. They say that they're buttery soft, and I'm gonna have to throw in with that. I got these in a size medium. They're actually 25% spandex. They feel really great. You do have 2 side pockets, and what I also liked about this is under the link there is so many different inseam, so many different color options. So it seems like you can get whatever you're looking for, and this has over 34,000 reviews on Amazon. So from Sweet Sweat, I did pick up their mini loop resistance bands. There's 5 levels of resistance. This is supposed to be great for upper and lower body workouts. Fits a variety of exercises is what they're saying. But really, I went in kind of hard on Sweet Sweat because 1, they're very highly reviewed, and 2, they have a whole line in the prettiest aesthetic colors. So I'm not gonna lie, that was the deciding factor on these. They also come in a nice bag. They do also have a brighter color pack if that's more your thing, but I rarely see fitness items that are in tonal neutrals, so I was very excited about these. So I picked up another workout tank. This one is a V-neck style, and why I picked this one out, 1, it does look like a lot of those more designer brands like Aloe and Lululemon that for a very similar item are around $70+. I also got this one because for a workout tank, this is considered longer. If you look at a lot of the links on Amazon, what they are calling bra tops, I personally, for me, would call a bra. So I was excited to find this one. V-neck in the front, scoop neck in the back. You do have a built-in bra, but it does have removable pads. Comes in a lot of color options. I also got this in a large, and if I remember correctly on the link, it said to please size up, so hopefully that works. And the hunt for the best yoga pant continues. This one is from the Odos brand. I ordered this one because I liked that it had more of that crisscross. Actually, my favorite Amazon bootleg yoga pants that I'm wearing right now have that same waistline. I also got this one in a size large, another one that has different inseams, so I did go with the 25. And the fabric on this feels fantastic. These are actually an Amazon choice for black workout leggings. So I did pick up a set of 7-pound dumbbells. I already have with my Peloton 3 pounds, so I didn't get a full set, although they have some on Amazon for great price points, so I will link those below. This one is a 7-pound. Under this link, you can get from 2 to 20 pounds, I believe, all different colors. They are calling this one light gray, something along those lines. It is definitely a taupey brown, but depending on the weight you choose is the color. So it is a set of 2, and these are around $18. So I am pleasantly surprised with this tank top. I was expecting this to be a t-shirt cotton material, but it is a quick dry fabric. It feels really great. And this is gonna fit more like a muscle tank, but it is a crop style. Another one that I've seen versions from Lululemon be twice the price. I did get this in a size large. It comes in a few other color options, and this is under $17. So also from Sweet Sweat, I picked up their yoga mat. Another beautiful aesthetic color, although I believe this also comes in black. It did also include a carrying case, and they are calling this a large yoga mat, by the way. This is supposed to be dual-sided. It's also supposed to be a no-slip grip. This is 6 feet. It feels really nice. So this is what one side looks like. This is big. And the other. So this is actually a repurchase for me. It's this compression ankle socks. I have tried so many different versions of these. They are hands down my favorite. If you're someone who's on your feet all day, you're gonna love these. I get everyone in my life hooked on them. I hope I love this next item. It is this Cut-Out Cropped Hoodie sweatshirt. I got it in a size large. I'm risking it all, y'all, ordering it in white, but I read the reviews and they said the white was not see-through, so I did take a chance. It does have this drawstring, a really subtle cutout in the front. It is fleece lined. The fabric feels really nice. This is another one that comes in a couple of color options, and I've ordered from this brand before. This is a new item for them, so I have high hopes. And then also in here, I have some resistance bands, of course, in aesthetic colors. These were highly reviewed though. They do come in their own bag and they are color coded for 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 pounds. When I was reading the reviews on this item, the one complaint was that the colors didn't look exactly how they did online. One of the colors is supposed to be pink, I believe. Actually looks more beige, which now that I'm opening it up, I can attest to that. I personally love beige, so I'm fine with that. Just know that you aren't getting the pink like the photo. So in this kit here, you are getting the 5 bands that I mentioned. You're also getting plastic and foam handle grips, as well as 2 ankle straps and 2 door anchors. So also from the brand Sweet Sweat, I do have this training belt. My chiropractor actually recommended to me that I use something that I can be very aware of my posture whenever I'm working out. So I did decide to go with this one. I also ordered their workout enhancer. I have no idea if that works, but I will say I used to work at a gym. Not that you would ever know by my lack of workout knowledge, but I did work at a gym for a period of time and I saw people with this all the time. So good enough for me. We're gonna test it out. It does come in 5 colors. This is a neoprene fabric, has a Velcro closure, and I did go off my measurement whenever ordering this. They do have a size chart. I did pick this one up in a medium. I also got from them in the clay color their arm trimmer. It's an armband that's supposed to help you target your arms when you work out. I have no idea if these work, but the reviews on it are excellent. And I will say, unboxing all of this, I am wildly motivated to work out. Y'all, I'm so excited about this next item. It might be the one that I was looking forward to the most, and that is a new water bottle. You can really never have too many, but what I liked about this one was the color. It is so pretty, but it also, oh, this is so much bigger than I originally thought, but it also comes with this holder, so it is all in one. If I want to take my TikTok hot girl walks that I don't currently take, I can bring this water bottle. The water bottle itself is so much higher quality than I was expecting. It is a glass water bottle. It feels like 64 ounces. You do have this canteen style lid. It does also have a jug handle, and I see in here it does come with a straw as well as a cleaner. And then the holder is this neoprene fabric, has nice gold hardware. You do have a slip pocket here. You might be able to get your cell phone in there. Definitely could fit a card or 2 in here. The strap is also adjustable. I think this is fantastic. In addition to the beige, I remember this coming in a couple of other pretty colors. And I think that's a great size water bottle, by the way. So if you are into drinking your water, you're into fitness, it's a good size for you. But also it's not so massive. Some of these that I see are just, they're intimidating, at least to me. And I have one last follow look for less. It is these wrist or ankle weights. This does come in a 2-pack. These feel really nice. They're 2 pounds. The weights are silicone. It is Velcro, so it's size adjustable. Comes in several other color options, and they are half the price of the ball ones. So these aren't leggings, they are a wide leg yoga pant, and I actually ordered these because my mom has several pairs. She is a harsh judge when it comes to pants, yoga pants, and she loves them. They do have a nice thick band. She says they fit like a glove. They do have pockets, and I did get this in a size medium. These are around $22, and another one that I've seen designer versions be about $100 more than that. Those yoga pants, by the way, have 18 different colors. Assuming they fit, I will also at least be ordering them in heather gray. Oh, I am so happy that this color is just as pretty in person as it is online. It looks exactly like the photo, and it is a look for less of the Lululemon Scuba Zip Up. From the same brand, I do have their pullover style in black. I've had it for a year. It's held up great, so I did decide to go back after it in the full zip up version. It's a hooded style. You have thumb holes. You do have the kangaroo pockets in the front. Has a light fleece lining. I got this one in a medium. The Lululemon version will run you almost $130. The one on Amazon is about $40. And next I have this long sleeve workout top. It does have a lot of fun details in the back. It has this cutout at the top, kind of a tulip hem on the bottom. Another one that does, yes, also have thumb holes. This is a little bit of a crop style, but I'm just gonna wear it with some high-waisted leggings. I did get this in a large, and it was around $22 and comes in about 12 colors. I have another pair of yoga pants, but this one's really cool because you have this functional zipper at the bottom if you want to have that very trendy slit. Another one that I've seen versions of this be in the 3-digit price range. It also has a little bit of that yoga waistline. It's not as dramatic as the first pair of leggings that I shared. I did get these in a large. This is a brand new link. There's not that many reviews yet, so I hope I love them, and they do come in about 4 colors. So next up, I do have a sports bra. I got it because it was a high neck style and it was a little bit longer. This is an Amazon choice, by the way, for compression bras. I did get this in a size large. It does have a full back, removable cups. This is around $25, but under this link, they do have 2 packs for around $40. So if you know you love it, it's a good way to have a little savings. And it's very similar to the Lululemon Align tank top that'll run you almost $70. And last up for our leggings showdown, this is from Gym People, another very highly reviewed brand on Amazon. So they are calling this their tummy control workout legging. It does have this nice thick band, and the fabric is thicker. It does remind me more of the feel of my Spanx leggings. These are around $25. They're an Amazon bestseller, and they have over 46,000 reviews. I did get these in a medium. All right, y'all, that wraps up today's Amazon fitness themed unboxing. I would love to know below in the comments what your New Year's resolutions might be. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during Vlogmas, and I will see y'all tomorrow.